You might be here today because you wanted to start your medical billing business, or you heard that medical billing jobs are at a huge demand in the United States, or maybe you already have Medisoft or you're switching to Medisoft, one of the best medical billing software out there and most popular. Hi, my name is Robert Gabriel. I am the President and CEO of Microwize Technology, a healthcare IT company, and Rosetta Telemedicine, also an author. And I'm here to share with you my 25 years of experience helping thousands of practices and medical billing companies overcome the challenges in healthcare medical billing and using Medisoft. Being on the advisory board of Medisoft for many years, I shared with a lot of the nice features you have in Medisoft. I'm going to bring all my experience to you in this course that's designed for beginners, intermediate, and advanced. When you finish with this course, you will have the inside of Medisoft and the best practices of how to use Medisoft medical billing and scheduling software. So click this button and sign up today. With very little risk, money back guarantee, you're going to love this course. Click this link and join me now.